Hello, it is Savings Challenge Sunday. I am back with four new games and a few old games that I want to gain some ground on, and $100 to stuff in these games. So let's get into the fun. So I was in a fall mood just recently and got started on a few little bundles that I put on my Ko-Fi shop we're still debating on how to pronounce that. Is it coffee? Is it Ko-Fi? Is it Co? I don't know. I say Ko-Fi because that was the very first thing I heard. And so that's what I say. So for my holiday binder, I have this one called Under the Apple Tree, and it is played like the ducks or like Shut the Box. You roll two dice and you color in the combination. And I didn't make envelopes for these, so I need to decide what I want to do for envelopes. I am going to use red and green. So 6, 8. Glad these big numbers are going. 4, 2. Oh, okay. 8. Oh, good. 5 and 3. And 8. Oh, look. No, yeah, I can do 8. 7 and 1. Am I going to shut the box? Nope. So I will do $9 on this one. And we'll get a tracker at least. If I don't have an envelope, I can at least write down. All right, I'm going to deposit $9 in this one. $9. And I will color that one later. I was feeling in a fall mood, and I was thinking about all the stuff I needed to do this fall, including Thanksgiving dinner, which is becoming a bigger production than we initially had planned. This one. All right, so Thanksgiving is the sinking fund that I am saving this one for, specifically for Thanksgiving and not the whole holiday binder. We have just learned that we're going to be hosting several relatives from out of town for Thanksgiving, and so we're excited about that. You know, it does bring the thought of, you know, money and how we're going to fund it. So I thought I'd start a savings challenge in addition to the sinking fund I already had. So this one, you're going to roll one die, and color the matching tile. I'll use the fall colors. Find a 4. There's a 4 under the T. Okay. I'll tell you, I have to wear this thing for 6 weeks. I don't know if I'm going to make it. 4 again. not seeing another 4. Oh, there's one. All these dots, they start to look alike. Okay, so that's $8, $10, $11. Let's roll one more time. 2, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna do another 2 just because I want to even it out. So I'm putting 15 in this one. And I will make some envelopes. And then this one, oops, hit the camera. And this is a version of my roll, add, color, and save game. So you roll 2 dice, add them up, 7. You find that number and you save that amount. Okay, so $7 is going into this one. I'm going to see if I can make some change. All right, now $7 into this one called Autumn Days. Okay, the last new one that I have is called the Leaf Pile. And with this one, you can roll 1 or 2 dice. Use a marker to roll around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am going to color the ones that I land on. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I land on a icon, you save $10. All right, so this one is getting $12 today. All right, $12 going into this one. All right, up next, bringing back this one that I'm playing for my self-care, Mariposas. It is such a beautiful challenge. All right, I left off here at $3. I'm gonna save $5 for that one, and I'm gonna roll one more time. 1, 6, 7. So both of these will be colored in. And that is it for this game. I am going to very quickly get some change and be right back. All right, Coneheads, my goal is to finish this one today. So I'm going to roll 2 dice. And so I have $10, $20, $31. There's my 10. There's another 10. Okay, 10, 6, and 4. I'll do it that way. 7, 7, 8. All right. Anyway, I'm going to finish that challenge today. So this is $10, $20, $31. 10, 20, 35. 1, 2. Okay, I'm just putting in 33 plus 33 equals $85. 85 and cone heads is complete. This one is going towards the holiday binder, which will go a long way to help boost that Thanksgiving and Christmas fund. I have $5, $10, $15, $17 left, and I'm going to play Saveopoly and then Going Quackers. So starting off on the new Saveopoly, I'm going to start down here, going this direction. All right. Roll the dice. Move that number of squares. Save the amount you land on a treasure chest. Save any amount, even though the treasure chest now says, oh yeah, free choice. Land on emergency, which is the emergency 10. It's a little honeybee. And save $10 to emergency fund. I did not change that up there. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $8. 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna put 7 in, and I'm stopping there. This one has an envelope somewhere. $7 going into that one for Saveopoly. And that is going again for Jeremy's computer. And finally for Jared's car, Going Quackers. I know I'm going to have an IOU because I only have $10 left. But I like the way my little friend Hunter told me to play this game by rolling 3 dice. We'll see. I may even do the variation and count. So let's see. 10, 14. So I can do let's see, 14 is what I'm trying to make. Let's do 10 and 4. All right, 9, 12, and 9, 10. I'll do 9 and 1. 5, 7. 9, 10 again. 8 and 2. This is 8. Ooh, my heart skipped a beat there. 5 and 3. All right, 6 and 11. So right now I have $17. So I'll have an IOU of 7, 5, and 8. Can't do it. So 17, and I'll have an IOU. Oh goodness. Let's see. Oh, here's a duck. I don't know if I can get him out without pulling everything else out with him. An IOU of $7 for Going Quackers. All right. All right, well, that's it, guys. I have gone through all my money. That is it for today for Savings Challenges. I introduced 4, actually, new games. Well, technically 5 with Saveopoly. I added money to Going Quackers and ended up with an IOU. I was able to play a couple of old games that I haven't only played once. All of that with $100. It really stretched quite a long way. So, and I even finished the Coneheads game. So, quite a productive day. I want to thank you for stopping by, watching my video. I would like to also invite you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I put out another video. If you're watching this right now, I am probably driving back home from South Texas from my teacher convention that I'm going to, and we'll have a video up and ready by Wednesday for Mini Mania. So I hope to see you on Wednesday. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.